we see that Avraham earned his way. Why did Avraham earn it? What did he do to earn it? It says that Avraham זכה בגלל שהוא זיכה את הרבים. Avraham merited to become the chosen because he benefited the public. He merited the public. He was the original Kiruv Rabbi. He was the original Kiruv personality in the world. Adam HaRishon failed. Noach failed. Shem Ever, everybody else failed before him. They were not all Reshaim. There were actually other righteous people even during the generation of Noach. There were righteous people in the generation of Noach. There were other righteous people at the generation of Avraham. But Avraham is the one that merited to be the one that's chosen. More than Shem V'Evel. More than even the sons of Noach and grandson of Noach that were actually saw the Mabul. Avraham merited. Why? Because Avraham did Kiruv. Why is Kiruv such a big thing? Why, do we have some bias here? No. Why? Because Kiruv is a person, when a person does Kiruv, when a person invests their time to teach other people about Hashem, invest their money to teach other people about Hashem, invest their effort to teach other people about Hashem, directly or indirectly. He either sponsors it with his own money for a rabbi to do it, or for the CDs, or for the books, or whatever it is, or he does it himself, or a combination of both, or he goes on the internet and instead of checking his email, he shares the lecture and so on, all that stuff. When a person does Kiruv, he is showing Hashem something special. What is that something special? That you understand the Creator and His desire. Why? Because the Creator is good. What is He good with? By creating good. If you want to create good, the number one good that a person can do is emulating the Creator. Being just like Him. How can you be just like Him? By sharing knowledge of Him with other people. By connecting other people to Hashem is the ultimate good. So even though Noach was righteous in his own, he didn't get the message. He didn't share the knowledge with the masses. Even though Shem and Ever were righteous, they didn't share the knowledge with the masses. Anytime somebody came, they did it. But they didn't go out there looking to help people. Avraham, anywhere he went to help people. He went to help them understand that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is the one that's running the world. And when a person emulates the Creator by benefiting the creations, in essence, he is enough of a reason for Hashem to create the whole world for. That's why Hashem says to the prophet Jeremiah, Im tatzia kar mizolel kepi tiyeh. If you take a precious, you turn somebody into precious when they used to be a luggard, they used to be a sinner. You turn the sinner into someone precious, into someone that actually serves me, you'll be like my mouth. So Rashi al Makom says, wait a minute, what does that mean, you'll be like my mouth? Hashem says to the sages, Hashem says to the prophets, He says, just like I created the heaven and the earth with a word of my mouth, I said and it came to being, you will be the same. You pray, I'll turn it into reality. You ask, I'll turn it into reality. There are certain tricks, if you will, inside this Torah blueprint of what Hashem told us. There's certain things that you can do to make things happen. To make things happen. For example, if a person does a Birkat HaMazon, when you say, Potech et yadecha u'mazbiah lekol chai ratzon, usually you'll see when you open your arms and he satiates all beings, usually you'll see small little letters in between it. Those small little letters are small names are holy names of different servants of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. One of the names starts with the first letter of Potech et Yadecha, Pei, Aleph, Yud. That's a certain name of Hashem. But another name is a Samech Aleph Lamed. Why Samech Aleph Lamed? This is the same numerical value as the first one, 91. Potech et Yadecha, the Pei Aleph Lamed is valued at 91. Samech Aleph Lamed also valued 91. But this is also, why do they pick this out of any other combination? Because this Samech Aleph Lamed is also a name of Hashem. But this name of Hashem is a special name of Hashem, that if you think about it during this Birkat HaMazon, with the other one as well, it's a Sgula for Parnasah. Why? Because this specific name symbolizes that you not only know where the Parnasah comes from, but you also know that at the end, you can't take it with you. Because Samech Aleph Lamed means Sof Adam Lamavit. The end of man is death. So don't spend all your prayers just on money. So a person that wants to have Sgula for Parnasah, he thinks about these names. A person that wants to have good Parnasah does Birkat HaMazon at least once a day with Kavanah. A person that wants good health does Asher Yatzah with Kavanah. A person that wants to have miracles happen in their life does everything they possibly can, money, time, effort, into Kiruv, to get more and more Jews to become servants of HaKadosh Baruch Hu instead of themselves and their money and their bosses and their girlfriends. There are different things that HaKadosh Baruch Hu said that you can do that are special. Maaser. Somebody wants to give Maaser, that's a way to become rich. Want to speed up the process? Give 20%. Instead of 10%, you give 20%. But the point being, Rabotai, is that there are certain codes, if you will, within the Torah to make certain things happen. And Avraham Avinu is teaching us that if a person wants to make everything happen to them, where they're going to be preparing themselves not only a benefit in the next world, but also a benefit in this world, to emulate the best of creation, which is Avraham Avinu. Why? Because he emulated Hashem. He emulated Hashem to the highest level. He did Kiruv. At a time where he was the only Jew there. There was nothing else. When you have a kollel over here, a kollel over there, a kollel everywhere, it's easy. But when the whole world is against you, and you're still going, that means you get the message. That means you understand.